Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about Robinhood markets. We are talking about HOOD Hood stock once again because man, things have been so crazy, so volatile, and had so many people talking about this stock. I mean, this stock just IPO'd a couple of days ago, and it was heralded as one of the worst, if not the worst, single IPO of all time. It was down, what, 8, 9, 10, 11% on IPO day. For such a big, massive company to tank so hard, so fast on IPO was really, really crazy. But now, as you guys can see up on the screen here, Robinhood was up around 50% in a single day today, and as terrible and as crazy or whatever as that IPO day was, today was equally as insane, equally as crazy, because this is not a tiny company. This is a $58 billion market cap stock. For them to be up 50% in a single day is definitely worth talking about, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video today. Definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this. I would appreciate it so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on my latest content. We're trying really hard to hit 1,000 subscribers with your guys' help, and by clicking that button, we can get there a little bit faster. So yeah, run those numbers up. With that being said, let's get right into this. So again, Robinhood, look at this graph. I mean, it has been crazy. It IPO'd at right around $38, or it IPO'd at $38 and then kind of just tanked to like 34 right away. But now from these bottoms, being up almost or over 100%, 107% from like these bottoms that we saw just on July 30th. It's August 4th today when I'm recording this video, and I think this is so interesting because I actually bought Robinhood on that IPO on the Robinhood app for $38 even is my cost basis there. And obviously, buying into the worst IPO of all time, or on the list of one of the worst IPOs of all time, felt bad, and it was not fun. And I was like, oh, this sucks. Oh, did I make a mistake? Whatever. But then I considered buying the dip a little bit, but it went from 38 to 34. Honestly, if it would have dropped further, I definitely would have bought more, but I didn't buy more. I just kept my cost basis flat at 38. I wasn't looking to flip it quick anyway. I wanted to be invested in Robinhood for at least the medium term, if not even the long term, depending on how kind of things go. I want to see more quarters of reports and earnings and everything from Robinhood. I want to see how retail investing, if it is sustainable, if it continues to grow, if it continues to be popular on social medias and stuff like that, or if it starts to die out. So I at least wanted to have some skin in the game. I wanted to have some money in Hood, just to see how it goes, to be able to track it along, and then again to check today and to see my $38 cost basis be up, what, I mean, almost 100%, 90%, or 80, 85%. I think I'm right around like 78% up now in a matter of days. I think July 29th to August 4th is what, like 7-8 days, something like that. Now, obviously, anything that can go down and up this fast can go down once again, and I'm not selling, so I haven't taken any profit or anything like that yet, so I'm not celebrating too much. But it does feel a hell of a lot better today being up this much than it did those first few days being down 10-11% right off the bat, right off the rip, and just seeing my money just kind of going down and down and down. But again, just like you don't win until you sell, you haven't lost until you've sold either. So I was definitely willing to stick it out. But this article from Yahoo Finance kind of explains some of what is going on. Robinhood closes 50% higher and joins the meme stock club. This is what people are talking more and more about. Like, Robinhood went from preventing the short squeezes and preventing the kind of meme stocks in GameStop and AMC and all these things, and now all of a sudden they're becoming a meme stock of their own. They're getting short squeezed. They're up 50% in a single day, and now people don't know, is there more room for Robinhood to run? Are they going to crash right back down? What is going to go on? It's going to be very interesting to watch. So this week of investment, this platform stock has gained 100%, making it the newest meme stock on Wall Street. Obviously, it's been all over all the social medias. When you have a company putting up numbers like this, everyone's going to be talking about it. The stock soared more than 80% at one point. The upward move comes a day after the stock spiked 24%. It blew past its IPO price of $38 on Tuesday, in stark contrast to its public debut last week. Retail interest could be a contributing factor to the upward move. Robinhood is one of the most mentioned stocks on Wall Street Bets, according to Swaggy Stocks. Obviously, if you go on Wall Street Bets, many of the mentions there are in a negative light, but the big thing here is that there's also a lot of people like me who, when they see a ton of negative sentiment from Wall Street Bets, that's what kind of made me interested in Robinhood, knowing that if everyone was saying they were going to bet against Robinhood, everyone saying they're going to buy puts, everyone saying they're going to short it, there is then some incentive to play the opposite side of that, to play it long when most other people on some of these big social media sites are playing it short. And that is why I went for this position. And obviously that is, so far been working out. Now, this play is nowhere near over. You will not know how this plays out until years from now. But, that's at least was kind of my thought process there. Fidelity's real-time order data was showing Robinhood as a top-traded stock behind AMD and AMC, two stocks that are also followed by Wall Street Bets members. AMD has been so crazy lately, and AMC has been, which is one of the highest volume stocks over the last couple of months. While short squeezes have often initially driven up meme stocks in the past, Robinhood's move is not driven because of a short covering. While there is some short side activity in Hood, it is the long side, which is the main driver of its stock price volatility. The upward stock price pressure in Hood is not of a short squeeze for the simple reason that there has not been enough time for a large short position in Hood to even be accumulated. So this is just on, people going long, people liking this stock, people betting on Robinhood for the long term, or maybe not even for the long term, but just for the upward move, even in the short to medium term, which is so interesting. And man, this story has just been so crazy to follow and watch, because there are so many people that hate Robinhood and want to see it fail and want to see it just crash and burn, but there's also so many people that love Robinhood and want it to succeed as well, and it's going to be so interesting and fun to watch. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I'd appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about Hood? I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.